What's up, YouTube? We're back for part 2. Look at my teeth were. Nice and shiny.
Fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe. The fire department? Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm. Right. Well, they didn't do that in my high school.
Yes, they did. Yes, they did.
Actually, now that I think about it, they do. Unless it's like a test. Like, you know, they have to do so many, like, test thingies, like, what do you call it? Practice drills. But now that I think about it, I remember, yeah, the fire people do show up. I think, okay. Maybe this time, I don't know. I've never done this before, so I don't know.
I don't know, bro. We do fire drills.
Looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time it's happened today. So I need to get some more info. What was the attack move right before the alarm comes? Well, I just handed everybody some paperwork. Their names on the dog on the desk. And then, I can remember. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson. Of course. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom. Okay? Yeah. Here we go.
Hey, yo, have you guys ever got Spirit Lock? Tell me in the comments. Comics. No, comics.
Oh, yeah. I don't know, man. Luckily, everyone's okay.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
They know, but they're like, so what happened here? Let me retrace my steps. So, I left. He's gonna expose himself. Let me retrace my steps. So I did this, and then I went like this in the front.
Then I went to the bathroom. Then I went over Not yet. Mikey, explain what was
Sorry, bro. I feel hungry.
Yes, I am.
I got a fingerprint, kids.
There was a girl and
What do you mean the girl comes out the girl restroom? When there's a freaking fire alarm?
Oh no, he has a big chunk on. Yeah, I was wrong. I was saying that they leveling up the production with all the sound effects, but they're forgetting the other stuff. One scene he didn't have anything on it, but now this scene has a big chunk. Like when they showed it, look, he barely had any, and now there's like a big skip of it. Mikey? Uh-oh. You were even cheese in my class.
Oh my god, try to walk away.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt. That explains why there isn't any prints. Sure, it's a false alarm. How could you do that, especially after all the way through?
please don't tell my mom. I didn't think
Bro, man, in the comment.
I just told it because I didn't want to do the pop.
He's gonna say it wasn't even a pop quiz.
Let's do a pop quiz. What about some bingo?
I kind of knew it wasn't a pop quiz when he said when they were outside. But it's like he was looking forward to the pop quiz. Pop quiz.
Game? Are you serious? You think I did all this for nothing? Mikey, you're coming to my office.
Right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, it doesn't cut it. I have to stop you there, principal.
Thank you, officer.
He's coming with him.
You don't know how much
He's going with the principal, Mike, or him.
Actually gonna come
Yes,
with us.
that's one.
Yeah, yeah.
Fire alarm. Serious crime. You know that?
Yes, I know it's a serious crime.
Take you downtown.
I want to say this out. Here you have an answer from Toby. Hobby and fire alarm system.
Hobie in the fire alarm system for 10 plus years. Arthur has dang. First, the fire alarm will sound. Fire department will come. There is a fire extinguishes it and leave. If not, they'll investigate who falsely activated the alarm and possibly charge them with a crime. Good. Good, homie. Yeah, good. Tony, good.
The fire department will come. If there's a fire, they will extinguish it and leave. If not, they will investigate and closely activate the alarm and possibly charge them with a crime. I did not know that, guy. I had no clue.
I did not know that you got here.
No, please.
Oh, don't worry, guys. It's gonna be alright.
No. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Fred, under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Mikey! Mom! Yeah, explain.
How did she show up?
In the neighborhood, and I heard that the alarm went off.
Of course, it seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please don't take away my tablet.
Yeah.
Mommy, I just want to go to Lego Land with my friends. That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to Juvie. I'll make you a statement. But no.
He gets her putting the fire alarm.
I told you so.
If you guys want to watch another episode of this, but without him, subscribe. See how much Pia has? That's how much I move out the way. That's how much subscribers I want, and how much likes I want. Well, peace. Let me watch one more with him.